Good morning everybody, Mrs. Gopi here and welcome to another Wednesday's Wonderful Writing Challenge. Today I'm going to be challenging you to write an acrostic poem. I've got one on the side just here. It says, "Shines bright, up in the sky, nice and warm," and that's an acrostic poem about the sun. I wonder if you know what is a little bit special about an acrostic poem. Okay, so acrostic poems are where the first letter of each line spells out a word, and this word is what the poem is going to be about. So I've got a little alien here, and the alien loves stars. So she's going to write an acrostic poem about stars. So I've got the word stars here, and can you see that on each line there is a letter, and that letter, all the letters together, spells out stars. So the first one says, "Stars are up in the sky. They sparkle and shine. All the stars are wonderful. Ready to light up the night. Spy them with a telescope." So each line is about something to do with stars. It's quite clever, isn't it? Okay, I've got some more acrostic poems here, so let's look at them together. It might help give you some ideas about your acrostic poem. So this acrostic poem is all about ice cream. So I've written ice cream out first. I've put each letter on a new line. So I-C-E, C-R-E-A-M. And my first line is, "Ice cream is delicious. Creamy and cold, eat them on sunny days. Chocolate is the best flavour. Runs down my cone when it melts. Everyone loves ice cream. Add sprinkles and sauce. Yum." So each line describes a little bit of what ice cream is like. Let's look at the next one. So this poem is all about school. Super teachers, children playing, having fun, oranges for snack. Of course, miss. Let's learn. So this one isn't quite as long as the other one. Some of the sentences aren't quite as long. When writing an acrostic poem, your lines can be as short or as long as you like. Sometimes they might even be just one word, like this acrostic poem about cats. Cute, acrobatic, troublesome, sleepy. So it's up to you how long you want to make your acrostic poem. If you want a bit more of a challenge, you might try and write a sentence. If you're finding it a little bit tricky, you might want to do just one word for each line. But see how you go. Okay, you don't have to make a plan if you don't want to, but I find it really helps put the ideas in my head so that when I'm writing, if I'm not sure what to do, I can look at my plan and that might help. So again, I've just popped owls in the middle, and around the outside, I've written some ideas that I could use in my poem. Okay, so I'm going to use my plan to help me write my poem. So remember, the first letter of each line spells out the poem. So you might want to write that down first. You might want to give yourself a little bit of space between your letters in case your writing goes over more than one line. You don't want to have to squish it in. So my first line, I might describe what owls are. I know, owls are really wise birds, so I'm going to start with that. Owls are wise birds. When do we see owls? We see them at night. So I'm going to say, watch them fly in the night sky. My next sentence, my next line of my poem needs to start with an L. I know. Mice have to look out for owls because they might want to eat them for their dinner. So I'm going to say, look out, mouse. It is the owl's dinner time. Oh, I'm glad I left a space between those letters. It is the owl's dinner time. Last letter S. Owls sleep all day. And I'm going to do a zzz. Okay, so I've not used all my ideas from my plan. Maybe I could write another one to see if I could use the rest of them. Well done everybody for your hard work today. I'm really looking forward to seeing all of your acrostic poems and what you've chosen to write them about. As always, please post them in the comments below so that I can see them. Great job everyone. Bye.